Welcome to Illegal Dog Fights. We're gonna do a quick PSA on things that we won't do. Here at Illegal Dog Fights, we believe it is unethical to tell you to buy products that we don't use and love. Therefore, we very rarely, if ever, plug products. And of course I bring this up because I'm seeing ads on Instagram and Facebook having people do exactly that, where you can get up to 50% of a commission for recommending a product without having to actually use it. So if you look through the Illegal Dog Fights page, you will find, I don't think, any links to any products because we don't receive a commission and we're not going to recommend anything that we don't actually use. Like these e-collars, we got them on Amazon. I recommend e-collars in general. These collars we got at I don't know where. We recommend collars in general. The leashes we got at I don't know where, and we recommend the use of leashes. So before you go believing some influencer on Instagram or YouTube, ask yourself, do these people actually use these products? And the answer is usually not. Actually, what is this? What's that e-collar? God. Oh yeah, generic Amazon stuff. Pet, it looks like. We used a couple other e-collars that were equally as good. I can't think of their names. I don't really care what the name of the product is. We also have generic tennis ball. You actually really probably shouldn't use tennis balls. I've heard they can hurt the dog's teeth. I haven't asked the vet, so I'm not going to say use them or not use them. My vet hasn't told me not to. So, yeah, just it's unethical to recommend products that you don't use. Hey, Jack. And I know I do throw in some like basic training and pro tips and whatnot for training your dogs, as well as just having you enjoy my dogs being goofy. Just be aware that that stuff's happening out there, and I forget what the website is, but their whole plug was get people to use our products by posting pictures of your dogs. And I was like, wow, that's like they're targeting me with this advertisement. But I'm not going to turn around and plug products I don't use. That's just unethical. Doberman Planet, I think .net, maybe .com, they plug some products and they seem to be pretty legit. I do take their advice. But again, I'm not getting any sort of compensation for that. My goal is just to grow this channel to millions of subscribers watching the brutality so that I can get paid that way. Or not worry about it and just have fun being a spaz that films his dogs. Like and subscribe for more brutality.